2.5 weeks ago, a water main broke off property, and since then we've been on mandatory boil orders. I've been using these very cumbersome water jugs, 5-gallon jugs, and a friend loaned me this really cool pump, so I wanted to show you real quick. You just put the pump in the water, and then it's got a nice snug fit, and let me see if I can do this without getting water all over the place. One-handed is fun. That's it. So I'll put a link in the description to the pump, but this is totally worth having on hand. I'm going to get myself one, and I hope this helps you. It's a really easy way to manage water jugs. Hope you have a great day. Bye.